some good memories from the Microsoft Office. I don't know I'll be able to publish this video or not. I'll be sharing with all of you who were there in the part of this video.
Srijoy. So brief thing about Srijoy. As we can all see, he's a very good talent here. I think he's in the wrong profession, but anyhow, I think almost 2+ years. 2+ years. 2+ years. So we had to wait a lot for him. Normally he was supposed to join within a month, and he extended somehow made me wait for almost 3 months. So finally he joined, and when he joined, he was still an Anthu YouTuber. I think somebody from G-Talk came to curtail that, but somehow again he continued that passion.
I still have kept that video private. I immediately put it private. I was told to delete, I put it private. I mean, okay, people will not see, I can keep it for myself.
Exactly. That's good.
Because
So-
I showed the logo. Showed the Microsoft logo in the building. That wasn't allowed.
Anyhow, but yeah, we had a great time. You picked up very well in your previous role, communication specialist, then you got into this role. Then unfortunately there was a sudden health bump, which took a toll on you, but hats off to you. We've seen that how you come back, and zero depression on the Josh. That's still there, so that's really impressive. And you continue this journey. So all the very best. Continue with the same Josh, and we'll be happy with the attitude. I'm sure you will get very, very good. And yeah, I know I've been one-on-one sometimes been harsh on you, but for whatever that time you were supposed to be here, I told you that.
Yes.
Otherwise, no happiness.
Srijoy is, I call him as a fighter now because he did a lot of fight with his life as well as personal things. He manages everything in the same as he always wears that big smile no matter what kind of a tension he's having. And otherwise, like when he started with that role as a communications specialist role, he always had that zeal to learn more. And it did achieve that. Unfortunate reasons, health reasons which impacted, but I didn't see that as actually impacted him. He has the confidence that he will show up and come up and rise up to that expectations which we had and also he had. So he's rising again, and that's all. I want to wish you all the best and keep doing those reels and have a separate fan page.
Sure.
Yeah, all the best.
I would like to tell something. Like, for the past almost 2 years, 3 months, like, probably I'm one of the longest staff who has been staying and among the people who left. I've seen so many things. First of all, I want to thank, it might be a bit long, but I have to tell it. So it's like, thank you, sir, that interview call with me that lasted, I still remember, for 45 minutes or so on the video call. I came from Asia, from my shift, and I was sitting in the balcony with the laptop when I gave the interview. So thank you so much. And that transition helped me a lot to boost my confidence. I started believing, because at that stage when I gave the interview, I was into fixed, should I go back to Kolkata? Will I be getting an opportunity to stay in Hyderabad? So that was the big call. And that decision, you helped me that yes, I can stay in Hyderabad. So that was a transition which was really helpful for me. Then I never believed that, coming from outskirts of Kolkata, I can walk into the office of Microsoft where we have grown. But I work for Microsoft. That's a big achievement for me, and my family members and my friends. They feel it in a very great way that I have done something like that. That motivates me, and I probably have translated that confidence to other people as well. That if I can do it, you can also do it like that. And apart from that, so that communication specialist role, yes, I really enjoyed that whole section. So my 2 years has been like, it's a 50-50 part. 1 year, exactly 1 year, I never thought I'll be applying for GIA. I never knew what is GIA, but I applied. So initially, thanks to Sanjana, and she helped me a lot to understand when the training was going on, and that's the reason I was facing hiccups to understand and grab whatever things is being told to me. But later on, when I found out, after that, things transitioned to the next 2-3 months. So once again, I had to start from zero. Sadly, I made few mistakes for which I had to go through the PIP. I never intended to do so. Nobody intends, but it just happened. I never understood what I'm going through. Accidentally it happened. But so all the feedback sessions, I always took it positively, because I've seen life for the last around 30-40 years. I've seen so many managers. I've been through so many sessions of feedback sessions, and also I know how it works. And nobody is against nobody. It's like that. If something feedback is given, it's for the good. And if you have been criticized, you should take it positively and work on the areas where you need to work. That's important. And so I really wish I could have been more proactive. I really feel I probably underperformed. I should have performed a bit better more, because I know what is my potential. I know I couldn't do it up to it on my own expectations. But what I've learned out here is that a few things. That is, the perception is very important. You have to build your perception by your work. The work and that what people think about you is very important. And that actually somehow it motivates you to work more. So first of all, you should work hard. So that creates a good impression among the people who are working among you. And when they talk good about it, you get more motivated. So that is actually very much helpful. And people who join new, you guys are, a lot of people are very just 2-3 years into the professional field. It's just an advice from me that please work hard. And if you have any doubts, they are always seniors. Your colleagues are the first point of contact. If they cannot be helping you, then you can reach out to the seniors. But there will be always people. Don't take it on you. And if you're getting feedbacks, please work on it. That would be the best advice from my side to everybody who is working. So thank you for the support. I will never forget that I did my 2-3 important things when I was working in this company. My health deteriorated, but everybody of you supported. I got married when I was in this company, and I'm getting my car also almost at the verge of getting this. In 2 years span, apart from 2 new roles I learned, 3 personal achievements I have done. So it's a big thing for me. I'll never forget this place. And as I'm staying in Hyderabad, I'll be trying to come and meet all of you. Definitely the first time I'll come with my car in the next 1 month. That's definitely going to happen. So I'll see you around in December when we all shift to the new building. I really wish I could have come to the party as well, the farmhouse party. Sadly, I missed it by 10 days. So my best wishes to all of you, and also to the new people who will be joining. The team grows, and I'll be very happy for the team.
Any other colleagues before?
I want to say something. I feel the beauty about introverts like Srijoy generally is that they are so passionate and focused in their own bubble that it doesn't rub off on everyone. But then past 7 months, I think I've spent a lot of shifts with Srijoy. I don't even know how. Even before I came, I really didn't think I would strike a conversation with Srijoy. But that's the, I think, beauty of introverts. The moment you start getting to know more about them, you see that so much that the world misses about them, that they only show it to some specific people who they work with. I think I've seen a very different side of Srijoy, like extremely dedicated with the things he's passionate about, very thorough with the planning, even if that means taking a bus from Gachibowli to Shamshabad, which he talks to me about every day. I think it's super meticulous. About work too, I mean, he realizes it himself. I feel like a little more communication from your side. But then when I've been on shifts with you, I think there's been a very collaborative approach. We've discussed a lot of things. And sometimes, even for example, today, the welfare check with Karachi, you were the one who was like, Javan, do it. And I did it. And that side, I wish, like, I've seen a lot of it, but I wish it rubbed off more on people. But that's okay. Flutter is an amazing opportunity. I think the lessons that you carry from here, you're going to carry it there. A great, fresh chapter to, you know, build your legacy over there. I wish you the absolute best. I'm going to miss you. We'll invite you for the new GSOC as well, but good luck. Yeah.
I still remember the first day when he was still training, I was in PIP and we met in such an awkward situation. And I was not speaking with anybody. And the first interaction was through a remix song. So I was playing a remix song just to lighten my mind, and then he was the only person who showed interest. That's how we started our conversation, and it went so smooth for so long. So I'm very happy to work with you.
Thank you.
I think you're sorry right now, so I just love you. All the best. I'll miss you, especially during IPL season.
My predictions doesn't go wrong. You are not a part of that group. You will get to know if you have something. My prediction hardly goes wrong. Even the scores also. No, I tell exact scores. This is over. This is the score. This is going to happen. So thank you all. I don't know if somebody else would like to tell anything. You're also there. Thanks.
So, Joy, I have to cut the cake.
All the best. Did I make everybody emotional that everybody is quiet? After my speech, only he spoke. Nobody else spoke.
Yeah, I think people got emotional.
But I can tell thank you to personally to everyone. Just 30 seconds for everyone else. Sandeep sir, thank you for like you were the closest person where I stay from my house. So thanks for always being available. You came multiple times to my room. You saw my conditions, which probably nobody have seen. Only you and Vipin sir have seen. So nobody have seen. Nah, sir, thank you for initiating the first OCSM. You were the first OCSM. You guided me like I felt like I'm from West Bengal, you're from Odisha. That connection was there. So thank you, like neighborhood states. Ashish, thank you that I came close to your house when I was traveling to Amritsar. So that was one good thing, and congratulations when you get your bike. I love to see it. Thank you for the pictures where you played, and during our play when we played cricket. Vamshi sir, a big thanks to you because DIA when I became, you were the main point of support. So you really helped me a lot where I couldn't approach anybody else. You were the only OCSM whom I could go confidently at because I had trust in you that you will help me and you will not criticize me in that way. So I felt confident, and then I already told you thank you so much. And before you came, she was the only Bengali, so I could have spoken. And how can I forget him? We joined together. So we joined when I was operator, he was operator. We both came together. We have our training just about 1 or 2 weeks back and forth. And Upasana, I'm glad that you are the second Bengali person I saw. The count goes to 3-2 right now. But hopefully more people come.
More Bengalis in the team.
No, there's 3. Now we'll be going on 6-2.
Now one majority goes down.
Anyways, I'm sorry if I made all of you a bit emotional.
So, as you know from all of us, small.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's-
Joy misses, but Joy gets it.
Like, मीठा खा सकते हैं ना?
हाँ सर, मीठा मैं कभी मना नहीं करता।
तो ये फिर-
अरे वो पेपर से
Thank you, there's no recording.
So now, thank you, sir. Thank you so
All the
much.
best.
Thank you so much. The muscle man, Rajesh. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sandeep, sir. Don't be emotional. I'm there beside you. Just 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer far. I'm not leaving from Shamshabad. Thank you so much, Shaiban. Ashish, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, new joiners. From one cameraman to another cameraman, passion stays. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. I need a cute smile. Yeah, that's it. Chalo. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.